Hi everyone, it's me Boxy and me Foxy, and welcome back to my new series, Boxy Cooks. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make deluxe mac and cheese. The last video we did Kraft, but now we're doing deluxe because mac and cheese is the only thing I know how to make, so let's do it. So really, you only need the same ingredients, but this time you're going to need Kraft macaroni and cheese deluxe. So here's the deluxe. It's freaking amazing. And so you really need just the same ingredients as last time. So that would be
I mean, if you girls can do it, that would be awesome.
Grab it.
Until Dad can get. I think my dad's schedule won't change from Monday, Wednesday, Friday because he has cancer Monday, Wednesday.
There we go. Alright, so you're going to do the same thing as last time. Fill it up with water. Okay.
She's going to also have the injections of chemo on starting Monday, and it's every 4 days.
All the way up to the
So I
top.
don't know how I'm going to be at 9 places at once. But we're gonna figure it out. Wait, like I said, my dad has got 2 of his friends that have picked him up on Monday. I know.
Pretty heavy.
And then my mom takes him on Mondays and Wednesdays because it's.
Okay.
But see, I gotta get.
All right.
I gotta get
And
my mom
same
though,
as last time, let's put this on the stove. Alright, so as last time, you need to turn this on to high.
Mama. So,
and you also need
a
spoon.
blood transfusion.
And if you don't know the other things you would need for this, just check out the video in the description box below on how we made the other mac and cheese. So as last time, we need to let this boil. Alright, so the thing different about the deluxe is it's way tastier and way more cheese. And the cheese pouches are not powdered. They are actual melted cheese, which is amazing. So we're going to put the noodles in some cups. Okay, so here's some cups. Okay, we have all 5 cups, and now all we have to do is wait for the water to boil into bubbles, and then we'll put them in. Okay, everyone. So we turned off the heater because it's getting too hot. So let's just put these noodles in. Here we go.
Yeah. Well, and now to say with the company, I'm just like.
Okay, gotta turn it back on. There we go. Second.
Right. That's the other thing. So I'm just like. And I was. Right. And.
Whoop. Third cup. So they were already bubbling, but I turned it off.
Yeah. It's. Yeah.
And last one. We put the 5th one, like, combined them in the other cups.
Yeah. No, the 7th company is still in the works.
So let's get our big spoon.
This year there'll be no
and
changes.
mix.
The company that bought us also owns our competitor. They're called OmniWire and Cable. So we will continue business as is through this year. Not sure what's going to happen next year, but the way our CEO put it today, we were on a conference call, Teams, he said, "You guys, I would never," of course, I don't know if I believe it, but this company is called Dot something or other. They bought Omni 8 years ago. Omni.
Okay, now we just wait.
Next year.
And now, while we wait,
Next
we are
year,
going
we'll be on
to have a cheese break. Okay, everyone, now let's get this cheese and cut this and eat some because I'm starving. Let me grab the scissors before I die.
Not probably a good thing either, but until
We're just gonna have a little bit because I love it. This is not powdered cheese like the Kraft one was, but it is melted, which I like because then you can eat it.
Schedule. Mom, we'll find out tomorrow what her
We'll put that
schedule
in
is
a minute.
Then we figure out transportation. Then we figure out food, meals, with your gift card.
Okay.
Oh, duh.
Okay, everyone. So now we've drained the noodles, and now we are going to put the cheese in. Let's do that. Go here.
Right, no.
Foxy, what on earth are you doing? I'm just here. Okay, let's put the cheese in. Yay. I kind of ate it. Seriously, Boxy.
Right. Right.
Okay. That was Adam's mom, and we call her mom for no reason. She was interrupting our cooking show. Okay, next bag. Okay, next bag. Put it everywhere.
There.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
now we are going to put the extra Kobe Jack cheese. Let's put the whole thing. Oh my gosh. A little more. Oh my goodness, Boxy. You could never have enough cheese. Okay, Foxy passed out because she's so excited for the cheese. Let me just get this up there with these scissors. Okay. The cheese. Let's put the whole bag in this. Oh my gosh, no. That is enough. Okay, that's good. That's so much. Let's mix it now. Holy. Oh, we got the milk. Oh, we can use that.
Mine's not made right now. I'm sorry.
Just get all the noodles mixed up. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my gosh. Okay, now let's put them on the plates. Okay guys, so now we have the mac and cheese and the plate out.
Interesting.
So now we're going to put them on the plate. Let's do it.
Your family and or your men. I look at my mom
Let's
right now
do
trying to do everything for my dad because he's like, I know my joke, he's very sick. But mom has always done everything, except for paying the bills and doing outside yard work. So now here she's scrambling, trying to do everything.
Oh,
she's
not mixed very well. Okay, now we're just putting some noodles on the
He knows how
plate.
to cook and clean and do laundry.